Hey guys, please subscribe this channel for A to Z information on yoga and press the bell icon for notifications.
Namaste. Today we are going to do Chandra Bhedi and Surya Bhedi Pranayam. First, Chandra Bhedi Pranayam. Benefit of Chandra Bhedi Pranayam. This pranayam gives coolness in your system. If you are patient of hypertension, high blood pressure or any kind of thyroid, parathyroid gland problem, so Chandra Bhedi Pranayam give balance in your thyroid, parathyroid gland also. In this breathing, we will inhale from left nostril and exhale through right nostril. Just remember, inhale from left nostril, exhale from right nostril. Because left nostril it represent to the coolness, moon energy. It's called Ida Nadi. And right nostril represent to the Pingla Nadi, Surya Nadi. So first Chandra Bhedi Pranayam. Hand you can keep on your knee, make position with your right hand. Now just first exhale from left nostril, then inhale from left nostril, then exhale from right nostril. First, close your right nostril, exhale from left nostril, inhale from left, close your left nostril, then exhale from your right nostril. Now right nostril close, inhale from left, exhale from right. 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 Around 20 to 25 rounds you should do if you want proper benefit of Chandra Bhedi Pranayam. Next, Surya Bhedi Pranayam. This pranayam give heat inside to your system. If you are patient of the low blood pressure, so this breathing will help you to remove low blood pressure problem. Again, make position with your right hand. Now, close your left nostril with your finger. First exhale from right nostril. Now inhale from right nostril. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Then exhale from left nostril. Now inhale from right nostril. Exhale from left nostril. Inhale from right, exhale from left. Inhale from right, exhale from left. Inhale from right. 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 Exhale from left. Relax. Again around 20 to 25 round of Surya Bhedi Pranayam. Surya Bhedi Pranayam represent a sun energy in your system. And both pranayam, if you do every day, so moon energy and sun energy, Ida Nadi or Pingla Nadi will be balanced in your system. And when both Nadi will be balanced in your system, then your Sushumna Nadi could be activate. And if Sushumna Nadi can activate, so your body, breath, mind, your buddhi, your wisdom, and your spiritual body, your Atma, the Panch Kosh can benefited by the Sushumna Nadi. Thank you very much. Namaste.